What's up, guys? It's Brandon Flash. Today, you're joining me to talk about Tesla's new deal on Model 3 long-range rear-wheel drive, which is $250 a month to lease one. So yes, you can in fact lease this car, this exact configuration, stealth gray, black interior, long-range rear-wheel drive, 363 miles of rated range, Model 3, for $249 a month with $3,000-ish down, or even less with a referral. Of course, depends on your state, taxes, all that fun stuff. But right about there, which is an absolutely insane deal. And you can actually get it even cheaper with the referral. So right now, at least, could be more in the future, could be less. You can get $500 off on a lease or $2,500 off on a purchase or financed car with a Tesla referral. My link is down below in the description and the pinned comment. So if you need one or these videos were helpful to you, would really appreciate it if you used my referral for that. But if you haven't already, also check out the video I made going through everything that's included with this car, because this video is going to be a little bit more about the deal and less about everything that you get with the car. So let's hop in and I'll show you on the Tesla browser, because it has that, what all you get and the deal you can get. So just for sake of keeping this a little bit easier, so I've put in a referral here. We'll go to Model 3 order. We'll get a pop-up about the referral benefits. There we go. So as I mentioned, $2,500 off the vehicle price for cash or finance, or $500 off for lease. So they're doing a little bit less on leasing because otherwise it would be an absolutely insane deal, even more than it already is for the lease if they gave you $2,500 off on that. So here we have the base configuration, which is exactly the car that we're in right now. So you get stealth gray, 18-inch Photon wheels, which are the most efficient wheels also, and I think they actually look better than the 19-inch Nova wheels, which also cut your range by 40 miles. So there's really no reason to pay more for different wheels. I would personally get the white interior, but we're talking about the cheapest car here. And you can also get full self-driving, but if you're leasing, do not buy full self-driving. You can subscribe for $100 a month, which I personally would. And then down here, so with the referral, just based on Tesla's default values of $2,999 down, it's $243 a month. You can also get $1,000 off with a military benefit, which can be stacked on top of this, so you can get an even better of a deal. If we want to crank it up to 15,000 miles a year, which I would recommend because you're going to want to drive this car, it only bumps it up $45 a month to $288 a month. With Tesla leasing, you also have the option to go down to 24 months if you wish. That, of course, will increase your payment because you're still having similar initial depreciation, but over a shorter period spread, because that first year has more depreciation than the second and third year. Of course, so that third year really helps even out and lower the payment on that lease. And then you can actually lower the down payment if you wish. I would in general recommend the lowest down payment possible, which in this case would be $0 down. And then of course, depending on your state, you may have, not gas savings, you may have a bit down, just your acquisition fee, your first month's payment. So yeah, so $0 do-it signing amount includes your selected down payment, $0 first month's payment, $349, and acquisition fee, $695. So you're having $1,100-ish down, or without factoring any state taxes, which in North Carolina would translate to about $1,627 do-it signing if you were to do $0 down payment, and that would give you $349 a month with 10,000 miles a year, or $395 a month with 15,000 miles a year with $0-ish down, which is a really good deal for the amount of car that you get on this. We can also see how this will impact. Let's just reset this. If you change your configuration, so we'll set this back to the default values just for sake of a nice and even comparison. And then always make sure you turn off the estimated gas savings, because that's just BS in my opinion. That should be off by default, but is on by default on Tesla's configurator. So there we have, we're back at $243 a month. Let's just add in some options here. So if you wanted to do a color other than gray, the pricing does vary depending on the color. So white is 1,000. I believe blue is 1,000. Black, I believe, is 1,500. Yep. And then red and Quicksilver, those are $2,000. So that bumps you up to all the way up to $268 potentially if you wanted Quicksilver, or $256 a month. So 13 to 20 something a month extra if you wanted a color other than gray. Again, I don't recommend upgrading the wheels, but if you insist, you can. That bumps you up $13 a month. And then if you wanted the white interior, that's also $13 a month. So basically for every $1,000 you add, you're adding about $13 to your lease payment. And again, don't buy FSD if you're leasing. If you're purchasing it, sure, you can buy FSD, but do not buy it if you are leasing, because it makes 0 sense to buy it. You're just going to lose that value at the end. But certainly if you want FSD, subscribe. Let's just go back to the Model Y, because the Model Y is also a great deal right now. We'll go to order now. And you can actually lease a Model Y, $500 off on a Model Y. That only applies to the old Model Y, not the new Model Y. However, even if you are ordering a launch series new Model Y, still use a referral, because from what I've been told, the referrer, so the person whose link you're using, still gets the benefit. So may as well give that to them. It doesn't cost you anything. And then here we have, so let's turn off the gas savings again, because I think that's BS. You can get a long-range rear-wheel drive Model Y for $293 a month with referral, and then similar kinds of things for adding. So this should be, yep, $13 a month for every $1,000 that you add to the lease or add to the vehicle purchase price. Or you can get $299, $399, $599, or $699. Ouch, on the launch series, and I believe that actually may have a large or same down payment. So those are all comparable as far as down payment. And then there are some discounted inventory Model Y as well, if that's better for your needs. We'll go in here and again turn off the 5-year gas savings. I really hate that Tesla does that by default. And then we'll switch to lease. So you can get the cheapest one there, $299 a month. This is not showing the referral benefit in the lease price there for whatever reason. And it doesn't seem like they really have any discounted long-range rear-wheel drive Model Ys, but they definitely have discounted long-range all-wheel drive Model Ys. Let's go into Model 3 as well just to see. And I'm not seeing any inventory discounts in here on the Model 3. So you may be able to talk to your service center. I always recommend that. And they may have demo cars if they're selling them at the moment. That could have a discount as well. So with these new lease deals, it definitely has me tempted to pick up a Model 3. I still think I'm a bit more of a Model Y guy, but would love to hear what you guys think. If this video is helpful and leads you to get a Tesla, would appreciate if you use my referral down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. If you haven't already, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you guys for watching.